What do you do to keep eating slow?
Try to really enjoy every bite. That's why I eat only things that taste really good. So I'm like, oh, this is delicious. You know, it's like you eat to enjoy the experience.
So what made you decide to get that salad today?
I actually like eating salads, but I like them to be good. Like, I like them to have crunch. I like them to have meat. I like a cheese.
Do you think you follow the 80-20 principle? Like 80% of what you eat is fruits, vegetables, whole foods, blah, 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 and then 20% is just anything you want?
Probably that, but I don't focus on doing
Right,
it that
you
way.
don't focus on it. It just happens to be that way. Right, that's the key. How much of that salad do you think you're going to eat?
Probably like half of what's left.
If you had to estimate how many calories you eat in a day, you wouldn't be able to do it, would you?
I would say between 1,500 and 2,000 calories a day.
And you pretty much have 2 meals per day? Every time. And you never eat breakfast?
And I try to work out like 20 to 30 minutes, like 3 to 5 times a week. Not every day, I mean, but...
How often would you say you eat the entire plate of food?
Like, I won't eat this whole plate of food because it's a huge salad. Well, this here is just amazing.
I know.
And if people were like counting calories, they'd be like, oh no,
Yeah.
cream and gorgonzola cheese. But it's about not feeling deprived, you know?
Yeah, it's the #1 thing.
And are you still enjoying your salad or do you want to take a box?
I'm finished.
You are? Okay.
Thank you.